Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. You need to gift yourself one plot of new Banana Highland. And if you no wan buy one plot wey you wan use am make money, make you buy 3 plots, 10 plots, 20 plots, 50 plots, even 100 plots. Make we run am neat. You understand that? So I'm so excited. Just call me 090342965919 if you wan go for inspection. Make you go see the new Banana Highland and pay your money straight up and collect your plot. Don't eat every money inside mouth by buying chicken, buying everything for the Christmas. Use and give yourself wetin go give you value, so that next year your money go triple. Are you getting me now? The good thing is say there is no need of bush entry, nothing like community wahala. If you pay your money, everything is taken care of, documents, everything. Just 6 million. Forget that thing. Money dey for this country. If person tell you say money no dey, tell am say you dey lie. You know why? Because every day people dey build house, every day people dey buy car, every day people dey travel abroad, every day people dey do ceremony, dey do occasion. Where the money dey come from? Collect your money. Are you getting me? How you wan take collect your money? By buying this land, keeping it so that it go increase in value and you sell it and make money. Or you buy the land, you build your house and you live. Now buy and build, you and your family. Or give to your mama, give to your papa, give to your friends, give to your sister. You don't understand. I'm so excited. This Christmas we go rock am as we dey buy Banana Highland. If you want enjoy am well, just buy new Banana Highland so that you go dey among the new occupants of River State Port Harcourt Banana Highland. Lagos own don dey filled up already. So come as a new person for this new Banana Highland so that you go be one of the ogbonge old landlords for new Banana Highland. By this time in few years time, come collect your plot. The number there here 090342965919. Bye.